Hi, this is Carla from Carla's glutenfreerecipebox.com. I made my first yogurt last night, and it's not really a yogurt because there isn't a culture. It's culture-free yogurt substitute. It is the best texture of yogurt that I've ever tasted. It's coconut based. It only contains 2 ingredients, and it's super easy to make. I've been on a low histamine diet for a few days, on and off for months, and I cannot believe that I can still have that creamy texture now, and avoid some of the things I'd like to avoid. Get the recipe. It's available to everyone at glutenfreerecipebox.com.